If you've ever sat waiting forever for your Google Drive uploads to finish, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'll show you how to make your Google Drive uploads faster and boost your upload speed with a simple trick that actually works in 2025. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Before you do anything else, check that you're connected to a stable and high-speed internet connection. That alone can prevent slowdowns or interrupted uploads. Now, once you're on your Google Drive, find the file you want to upload. You can drag and drop it directly, but here's where the optimization comes in. Right-click on the file and hover over Open With, then click on Connect More Apps. A new window will pop up with a search bar. In that bar, type speed, you'll see several apps, but look specifically for one called Speed Uploader for Google Drive. This tool is designed to optimize file transfers, helping you upload files much faster than the regular built-in method. Click on it, open its page, and then select Install. It'll integrate with your drive in just a few seconds. You may need to allow some permissions. That's totally normal and safe. Once it's added, you can start using Speed Uploader to transfer your files with noticeably improved performance. Keep in mind, your actual upload speed still depends on your internet connection and bandwidth, but this setup often gives a real and visible boost to your Google Drive uploads. And that's it. You've just made your Google Drive faster and more efficient. If this helped you out, make sure to stick around for more useful digital tips coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.